Okay guys, it's a beautiful day out, so we're gonna drive the car to work. I just had to jump it, so hopefully it's got enough surface charge to start it up real quick. I got a couple of transfer cases in the back. We're gonna try to pull apart, get prepped so I can send them off and have them powder coated. So let's get this going. Okay guys, today we're gonna disassemble this transfer case because I gotta get this housing all powder coated, looking nice. Yeah, go we can. So it's pretty simple. Just take 10mm. Take your three 10mm loose, and then this should pop right out of there. Looks very good in here. Hopefully I do not break this thing. So all of this we're going to leave alone. I might tape all of this off and just clean up this outer edge. But that's about all I'll need to do to that. That won't really get seen, so we don't have to worry about powder coating that up. So we'll set it to the side. Okay. And then to get this other gear off, we just pull this 32mm nut off. Set to the side. Set this up. Got a washer in here. We got a little Teflon spacer. This guy. Then there's an O-ring. It's going to be let's see if I can't get it out. Hey, there we go. You got a little O-ring in there. Set this to the side. This just falls right out. This is a pressure washer. That's how you set the pinion depth. So we'll need to nip some info off of that now. Put him to the side. And then to get this as torn down as I can. Oh, let me pull this seal out of here. I'll be putting a new seal in it, so that's not a problem. There's a bearing that fell out. I'll probably put all new bearings, all new seals. Alright. So if you look, there's the first race right here. There's a race inside right here, and then there's another race inside of here. You can try to like knock these out, but if you're a little patient and you got some heat, I have found the best way to get them out is just a torch. So we'll heat up around the aluminum around the race. We don't want to heat up the race itself because we want it to stay smaller and expand the housing around it. So I'll heat it up, and I should just be able to take it upside down, smack it one time, it should fall right out. Let's give it a try. Not yet. I swear I just did this earlier and it came right out to that other case. Where's that one? Fell out on its own. Okay, so now we just got that one last stubborn one that we were messing with in the beginning. There you go. Set that other one to the side, let it cool down. And then these two cases, this is one I did earlier. This one, or that one of them, is going to be for Poncho. Hopefully you guys will be seeing me install his transmission into his billet bell housing. So yeah, we got all the seals, all the races, everything totally out of these cases. Not gonna buy the Drag Cartel billet one. I don't think there's a reason. This case is not gonna break. So I'll just spend I don't know, $100 maybe to get this powder coated instead of like 800. So yeah, hopefully get these back in a couple weeks and we can get everything shoved back in them. Poncho, he has a PPG. He's got a PPG ring and pinion for his that he's putting in. Well, I'm putting in for him. Let's see what we got here. This guy. So we got a replace that, we'll have to get this all pressed apart. That'll be probably a different video. And then this will go right here instead of the helical gear. Be a lot stronger. Hopefully it doesn't break. So we'll go ahead and get this cleaned up a little bit more, and yeah, get it over to my powder coater. Okay guys, there's probably a better way to do this, but got this dude all taped up, so I'm just gonna take a little wire wheel and clean all this dirt off, and then probably throw some polish on there and get this little section all shining. Huh? Yeah, something like that. Yeah, get the dirt off of it. Alright, now that looks a lot better. You know, it's not perfect, but it doesn't have all the crud off the road on it anymore. So I feel a lot better about it. Okay guys, got a little bit of polish here. Just gonna put some on by hand first, just to get it on the piece. I got one of them little Mother's power balls.